Hello, I saw the other question in the email. This is a lot like number 12 from the same section, but they are using function notation. They're writing f of x instead of y. If you put y or f of x here, you can interchange those. They mean the same thing. So you want to prepare a table of three solutions for the following function. F of x equal 1/2 x minus 1. I wrote it out here not quite so neat. So they give you the x value and they want you to find the y value, or f of -2. So you just take this -2 and you want to put it in for x, and you want to do this arithmetic. Now if you have a calculator, many calculators will do this, but this is 1/2 times -2 minus 1. I went ahead and put that over 1. The 2's are going to cancel here. 2 go into -2 minus 1 time. And so we're going to have f of -2 equals 1 times -1 minus 1. Well, that product is -1 minus 1. And so the answer, f of 2 equals -2. And so, that's what, they want -2 here. Of course, you don't have to repeat this, 2 more times after you enter this answer. It's going to give you another value of x, and you got to plug it in, find the value of y, then you have to do it a third time. Hope this helps.